It's my dream come true to become a world champion because since I was a kid, 8 years old, I was training in my province.
Bawat isa sa mga manlalarong Pinoy, sa kahit ano pa mang larangan o patimpalak, iisa lang ang kagustuhan, ang manalo at makapag-uwi ng karangalan sa ating bansang Pilipinas. At pagdating nga po sa larangan ng boxing, kung gusto mo talagang makuha ang panalo at matalo ang iyong katunggali, kailangan disiplinado at dedikado ka sa iyong ginagawa. Ang iyong sarili ay papatayin mo talaga sa pag-ensayo nang sa ganoon, sa oras ng laban, ang pagsusumikap at pagtitiyaga sa training na iyong ginawa ay magbubunga sa ibabaw ng lona. Isa nga po sa hinahangahan ng maraming Pinoy boxing fans, ang salitang lumabas sa bibig ng ating pambato, ang ating kababayan na si Mark Magnifico Magsayo. Ang salitang balang araw, magiging isang ganap na world champion siya. Pinatunayan at pinanindigan ito ng ating pambato na si Magsayo. Madaming kalaban ang humarang sa daan, halos lahat pinababagsak. At taong 2022 nga po mga idol, matapos talunin ang Noy pinakamagaling na boksingero sa featherweight division na si Gary Russell Jr. na mula sa pamilya ng mga boksingero. Ngunit sa kabila ng tagumpay na kanyang naabot, pangarap na kanyang nakamit, dumating ang punto ng kanyang pagkatalo. Hindi lang isang beses mga idol, naging magkasunod pa ito. Subalit na natiling matatag at hindi naging dahilan ng kanyang talo sa pagintong dumigma. Matapos matalo ng 2 beses ni Mark Magnifico Magsayo sa kamay ni Ray Vargas at Brandon Figueroa taong 2022 at 2023, nagpas siya ang ating pambato na umakyat na ng dibisyon featherweight 126 pounds patungo sa super featherweight division 130 pounds. Kilala naman natin na isa sa mga armas ni Mark Magnifico ang kanyang taglay na lakas at ang kanyang pag-akyat ng dibisyon mga idol. Ang lakas na kanyang taglay ay kanyang daladala pa din na mukhang angkop na angkop sa kanyang katawan mga idol. Isa sa magpapatunay ang isang laban nito at unang laban nito sa 130 pound division nito lamang 2023 bago matapos ang taon. Nakakatakot na lakas ang ipinamalas ni Magsayo nang magiganti ito sa kababayan ng unang tumalo sa kanya na si Ray Vargas, ang Mexican fighter na si Isaac Abelar na may record na 17 wins, 10 knockouts. Gamit ang bagong estilo, dinala sa napakatinding knockout ang kalaban. Ating panuurin mga idol.
In order to stay active, he looked for a fight and he got one here tonight. How long will this last? I don't know. And that's a right hand from Magsayo immediately. As Canelito's in trouble, Magsayo coming out attacking.
Awkward, and if he finds his legs here early, he could get himself into this fight, but Magsayo has started very fast. Fundamentals, very quick feet.
Magsayo in his last fight is when he lost where he wants, and next year he wants to fight for a title. So he did not just want to sit around and only fight once this year. That's why when an opportunity and spot came up on this show, said yes. What a concept. Fighters fighting, Rich.
That's it. I talked to Marvin Simone.
Wait for the new rumor to be in March. That'd be a year without fighting. And you mentioned he's in his athletic prime. You want to be active.
We know that Magsayo has world-class skills.
Yep.
I mean, he beat Gary Russell Jr.
Funny.
in a tougher-than-expected fight.
Canelito. He's tough.
I did a telecast of Magsayo very early in his career, and there was all of that next Manny Pacquiao nonsense that was going on.
But he's a different fighter. And they both acknowledged that Fulton back in 2019, a 6-round KO in Edinburgh. So the Canelito is no pushover. Oh, but I did ask Marvin Somodio, you know, this was scheduled for 10. How many rounds do you really expect? And, you know, Marvin gave me the professional answer. He's like, you know, well, we know this guy's tough. This is why we took this guy, because he's going to give us rounds. It's a great point from Marvin. You can only spar so much and you could burn out a fighter in that way too.
Well, I think those comments are true. What Marvin said, not necessarily just coach speak.
Yeah, because he said, you know, a fighter trains and trains and trains, and if there's nothing at the end that's reward, Marvin does speak English, so he understood.
Good little uppercut from Magsayo inside.
Shout out to everybody watching us on CBNPromotions.com, also on Fight Stars in Idaho. And you see Magsayo's trunks. He has the Manny Pacquiao logo and MP Promotions logo, and it says Viva on top. So Sean Gibbons.
Sean Gibbons logo.
At the Viva. He's got the solar system on his back, I think. Oh, uppercut from Magsayo.
He does boast an excellent uppercut.
Yes, he does. Nice guy. First time I ever met him, saw him in the back. I'm really looking forward to calling your fight. I'm a big fan of yours because he's always in an action-packed fight. You're seeing the wrinkles, the levels between a championship fighter and a good, solid fighter.
The morning, the day of the weigh-in, and he knew he didn't have to make weight, you know.
Third round. Wow. He attacks, and the knockdown happens early in the third.
That was a tremendous combination. There must have been 5 punches there.
And Magsayo knocks down Avelar, who just shakes his head, tries to crack his neck. Baby Janelle watching in Corona, looking at Mark Magsayo, trying to get a knockout here in the third. La Casa de Arces is ready. Canelito from Aguascalientes. He's tough, though. He's been down this road before.
Magsayo just flew in there throwing punches.
He's attacking. Canelito needs to move. Not eat punches like he is right now. From Magsayo. And Canelito answers with the left. This dude is tough. He does not want to trade with Mark Magsayo. Oh! A huge KO! Magsayo has knocked down Canelito on a huge uppercut, immediately called off. Wow!
Avelar on the canvas. He just got cold cocked by that shot. Just one big, tremendous shot.
Wow, immediately called off. The doctors are there. 2 doctors.
Hindi man gumana sa unang subok, agad nakita ni Magsayo na kumagat sa fake sidestep ang kalaban. Kaya't napuruan ito sa ikalawang pagkakataon. Napakatindi ng lakas ni Magsayo sa dibisyon na kanyang nilalabanan ngayon. Bukod dun mga idol, matindi din ang mga kampiyon sa dibisyon na ito. Para nga po muling makaakyat sa tuktok